will maintain that particular social order. There are some agencies of social control who will basically maintain the order of the society. Agencies of social control. And what are these social controls? Other name, these are known as social institution. So social institution simply means social, and institution means some kind of a idare. And these are some forces, these are some pillars who are working in the society just to maintain or just to stable the society. Their work is to maintain, their work is to functionalize the society properly. And what are these social institutions? These social institutions are media, family, religion, society, and all these 5 institutions that we already discussed. All these social institutions maintain the order of the society. The agencies of social control, other name of agencies of social control is also known as agencies of socialization. Remember that. Agency of social control is also known as agency of socialization. Why I am giving the name of agencies of socialization? The socialization mean that all these institutions basically interact with each other. And what are these basically social institutions? Peer group, your family, maybe some kind of a police, arms, all these things which basically maintain the order within a society.